Hi, this is the ABS team. In this video, we will show you how to submit an e-invoice. Before submitting, please make sure the guest's phone number is in the correct format, starting with +60. Also, don't forget to check the folio balance. Now proceed to check out the guest. You will see an e-invoice button, click on it. Then, fill in the required information such as the TIN number, ID number, depending on the type of ID, email address, and mailing address. Once all fields are completed, you can submit the e-invoice to IRBM. Alternatively, if your device has a camera, you can click on Scan QR and scan the QR code provided by the guest. The information will be filled in automatically, and you can proceed to submit to IRBM. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching.